Think you need a big budget to have a beautiful garden? Think again. With a little creativity, you can turn even the smallest space into a stunning garden without spending much at all. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow, your home for creative and affordable garden design ideas. Today we're diving into low-cost small garden design 2025. Beautiful on a budget. The secret to a budget-friendly garden is reusing, repurposing, and making the most of what you already have. Start by looking around your home. Old containers, wooden crates, tin cans, or broken pots can all become charming planters with just a bit of paint or polish. Next, choose low-maintenance plants that grow easily and last long. Succulents, marigolds, or herbs like mint and basil are perfect for this. They're inexpensive, easy to care for, and add a fresh burst of color and scent. If you have limited space, go vertical. Hang your pots on walls, use old shelves, or create a DIY wooden frame for your plants. This adds height, saves space, and gives your garden that full, lush look without spending extra. Decor doesn't have to cost much either. Small pebbles, driftwood, or recycled glass bottles can make beautiful borders or light features. Add solar lights or fairy strings to bring your garden to life at night. Soft lighting can completely transform the mood for very little money. And here's a simple design trick. Mix textures and layers. Combine rough stone with soft greenery or clay pots with wooden trays. It gives your garden depth and style without extra cost. So, yes, beauty and budget can absolutely go hand in hand. All it takes is creativity, patience, and a love for growing something your own way. Like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more easy and affordable garden design inspirations.